Have you ever wondered if your family trip could turn into a real, crazy adventure deep in space? What if, instead of spending your weekend at a crowded bar or binge-watching Netflix, you found yourself on an unforgettable space journey? After a tough week of work, endless emails, and trying to hit those fitness goals, you deserve a wild getaway, right? But this time, instead of the usual roads and traffic jams, what if your destination was the vast, unexplored space? No more dealing with traffic or searching for parking spots. Now you've got your own ride, and you're officially the captain of your very own space adventure, just like a sci-fi movie hero. But where are we going? Oh, let's say you're feeling adventurous and decide to head towards the Normandy supernova. Oh man, that doesn't sound like your typical peaceful getaway, but who could resist the thrill? So, you start the spaceship, trust in the universe, and off you go. Hey there, I'm SuperNerd. Superman granted me superpowers to understand and simplify science on the condition that I use them to benefit others. That's why today I'm bringing you an amazing topic. But first, I need your support. Subscribe to the channel so we can reach our dream of 1 million nerds. Subscribe now and be part of this epic journey. Have you ever been in an impossible situation where even turning on the emergency lights couldn't save you? Suddenly, there's this thing, a black void, almost like a cosmic curse, a hole in the universe. Imagine trying to escape, pressing every button, turning every knob, and nothing happens. The spaceship keeps moving at 300 kilometers per second, and that definitely doesn't help. You shout, turn on the warning lights, nothing. Where are you? Welcome, my friend, to the black hole, the cosmic drain of the universe, the one place that swallows everything and never gives it back. Or even if it does, it's never quite the same. It's like a one-way door to nowhere. It's the most exclusive club in the universe, entry with no exit, no exceptions, not even for light. Imagine trying to shine a beam of light into a hole in the wall, but it never comes back out. Yeah, that's exactly what happens in a black hole. Ever wonder why even light can't escape it? Because the gravity is so strong that it pulls the light itself. It's like trying to escape quicksand in movies. The more you struggle, the more it pulls you in. But let's back up a bit. How did we even know about this terrifying drain? To understand it, let's go back to one of the greatest ideas in history, Einstein's general relativity. Imagine telling yourself, time passes the same everywhere, right? Well, not exactly. Time can bend and change. Just like a mountain road curves beneath your feet, time can twist and slow down. That's what Einstein said. Gravity affects time the same way it affects you when you run with a heavy backpack on your shoulders. Imagine a heavy object on a trampoline. Have you noticed how the trampoline bends? Now, any small ball that comes close starts spinning around it. The same thing happens in space, except instead of a trampoline, we have space itself. Heavy objects like the sun or planets make space bend, and that's how planets and moons move around them, like they're spinning around a hole in a giant space trampoline. Did you ever watch the movie Interstellar? Remember when Cooper and the crew landed on the planet near the black hole Gargantua? They experienced what Einstein was talking about. Time moved differently there. 1 hour on that planet was equivalent to 7 years back on Earth. That's because of the black hole's immense gravitational pull, bending time itself. It's a perfect example of how gravity can mess with time. Have you ever felt like time was moving super slowly while waiting in a long line? Well, the black hole takes that idea to a whole new level. Time there can slow down so much that 1 minute feels like an hour or even a day. Imagine you have twins, one stays on Earth and the other goes on a trip to the moon. Let's say he had some free time. The twin on the moon ages slightly faster than the one on Earth. Yeah, we're talking about fractions of a second, but it's still real. It's like watching your favorite movie but in a slightly slower version. Nobody wants that, right? And now, imagine if there were a place where time could completely stop. Yes, that's what could happen in the heart of a black hole. It's like the universe decided to hit the pause button. What would happen if you went in there? Would you be stuck in one moment forever? Questions that remain unanswered, and maybe we'll never find the answers. Now, let's say you somehow managed to survive the black hole. Do you think things would go back to normal? Well, there's a theory that you might come out somewhere completely different, in a different part of the universe, or even in a parallel universe. Imagine coming back home to find that cats now rule the world, and humans work for them as servants. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But who knows? In the world of black holes, anything is possible. And there's something else called singularity inside the black hole. It's the point where matter is compressed into an extremely small space, but with infinite density. In other words, all the laws we know completely break down there. This place defies all our logic, like it's saying, sorry, physicist, your rules don't apply here. So, let's get back to our question. Can a family trip turn into the strangest journey imaginable? Well, if you're heading straight into a black hole, the answer is yes. This cursed black void, the cosmic drain, bends time and space in ways that make you question every physics law you learned in school. A place where not even light can escape, where time could stop. It's the universe's drain, and once you're in, there's no way out. But what if something even stranger is waiting for us in there? Something science hasn't discovered yet? I'll leave you with this question to ponder until the next episode. What do you think about this wild phenomenon? Can you imagine signing up for a trip near a black hole? Just for the gram, of course? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And while you're here, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, unless you're orbiting near a black hole. In that case, maybe don't hit anything, and stay tuned for the next mind-boggling episode.